Inside any home office, you'll find a variety of tools, trinkets, and peripherals. These tools are a part of what completes a home office, and as the old saying goes, there is a place for everything, and everything has its place. That's why we're set on a mission to build the perfect IKEA Skadis pegboard system to bring efficient storage for everyday peripherals. Luckily for me, I live nearby a local IKEA, so I headed over to pick up some supplies. The Skadis system is an extremely versatile pegboard that you can rearrange endless times. It makes perfect and aesthetically pleasing storage for extra keyboards, game controllers, tools, crafting supplies, and almost anything else that you can think of. It comes in a variety of finishes from white to black to wooden and can be used in the office, garage, or any other space. There were 3 different sizes to choose from, and you can even combine the multiple pegboards together to create a custom size. In addition, there's a plethora of accessories to choose from to help support your ideal pegboard configuration. Hooks, trays, bungees, knobs, containers, clips, and various holders are some of the tools available. Now, before getting into the install, there are some tools and supplies that you'll need to gather. Most notably, you'll need to source your own screws and plastic drywall anchors. The Skadis system does not come with this hardware. You can order these on the IKEA website or go to Home Depot or Lowe's to pick them up. So all in all, to install the Skadis, here's what you'll need. A pencil, a drill, 1/4 inch drill bit, a Phillips and a flathead drill bit, a hammer, a level, a stud finder, 1 1/4 inch metal screws, and plastic ribbed anchor. I got the size 10 from Home Depot. Safety glasses, and lastly, a friend to help out. So with your supplies in hand, it's time to start installing Skadis. The very first step in installing the system is to figure out whereabouts you'd like to hang the pegboard, and pencil in a notch at the top of the pegboard. Now, take your hanging rail and place it about 1/2 inch down from the notch that you just penciled in on the wall. Grab your level and be sure that you're holding the hanging rail straight, and once confirmed, pencil in the 2 holes on either side that make contact with the wall. Next, grab your 1/4 drill bit and drill the holes where you penciled in the marker dots. Then, push in your plastic ribbed anchors, and if you need to, hammer them in as necessary. Go ahead and grab your screws and put a Phillips head in your drill bit. Then, hold the hanging bracket up to where you want to hang the holes in the wall, and screw in the hanging bracket. Again, grab your level and assure the hanging bracket is level on the wall. Forget this step, and you'll have a lopsided pegboard without a doubt. Then use your drill to secure the bracket on the wall. Next, grab your pegboard and supplied hardware and line up the top right corner with the right side of the hanging bracket. Thread your screws in both the left and the right side, then tighten them up with the drill. Now grab the remaining screws and spacers and install them in the bottom right and left hand corners to space the pegboard uniformly from the wall. Finally, grab your level one more time and place it atop the pegboard system to assure it's flat. Then, grab both sides of the pegboard with your hands and gently tug and pull on it to assure it's stable on the wall. At this point, you've got a blank canvas ready to customize for your productivity needs. The first piece for me was to give my endgame D65 an easily accessible and permanent home. Then I began filling in the various peripherals using the bungees, hangers, clips, and containers. All in all, this system cost me about $75 and was well worth the money and time put into it for the aesthetics and efficient workflow I've achieved with this install. Skadis is an IKEA product that I would happily recommend to anybody looking for a convenient and aesthetically pleasing storage solution for a variety of spaces. Now I do hope this video has helped and inspired many of you to get out there and install the next piece of furniture that complements your dream home office setup.